Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color in a New Year's Eve rocket and New Year's Eve fireworks. Let's start with a New Year's Eve rocket and draw the cylindrical body first. This consists of a cardboard tube and has a long square shape with both ends slightly curved. Next we draw a long wooden stick. This is located in the middle under the New Year's Eve rocket. The burning fuse is located directly next to the wooden stick under the rocket. So we draw a small cord. And then we draw a few small sparks. Next we draw the triangular plastic lid at the top of the New Year's Eve rocket. Now we'll give our rocket a funny face. We draw two very large ovals for the eyes. Then draw two thick eyebrows over the ovals. Now we finish the eyes. We draw the pupil and the iris. We then draw a large laughing mouth. Finally, I divide the rocket with individual wavy lines. I will color these in later. However, if you don't want this on your rocket, just leave it out. After all, you are the artist of your drawing. And the New Year's Eve rocket must mainly appeal to you. The New Year's Eve rocket is ready. Now I'll quickly show you how you can easily draw a burning New Year's Eve firework in the night sky. Let's start with the long trajectory of the rocket. And draw a long line. My line is narrow at the bottom and gets a little wider at the top. Now we draw the exploding fireworks in the night sky. We draw individual curved lines, similar to a palm tree. The fireworks have different strokes. Some are short, others are slightly longer. So that I can color the fireworks better later, I draw some of the fireworks strokes thicker. I also draw a few small dots in the fireworks. The New Year's Eve rocket and the New Year's Eve fireworks are finished. Now I'll color everything in very quickly. I paint the sparks on the fuse in yellow. The wooden stick is painted in a light brown. The eyes were colored in blue and black. I paint the plastic cap in red. I paint the rest of the rocket in green and pink. I use the color yellow for the stripes. And finally I paint the eyebrows in the color brown. I paint the New Year's Eve fireworks in many different colors. Individual strokes are painted over with the color yellow. I paint the thick lines in 3 colors, mainly in the colors orange, green and red. I have colored the dots in red and blue. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.